Are you tired of working a job and feeling that you're not maximizing your creativity and your potential? Do you have this flair of creativity and you want to make something positive out of that and create a business? Guess what? This video is going to really help you. My name is Dev Gadhvi, India's first passion mentor, TEDx and Josh Talk speaker, and in this series I've spoken about 21st century careers, and digital marketing is the answer. As per one of the researchers, it'll go from 2021 to 2026, it'll grow by 27%. That means it is a $1 trillion industry. It's going to grow skyrocket. In this, even if you can have a small piece of it, you're still a crorepati or a millionaire at least. Okay? So what is digital marketing? How does it work? Let's go deep in this video. Digital marketing is a process of using tools and technologies to promote your product, to reach and engage with your potential buyers, and to create more leads through marketing and promoting. So digital marketing includes many elements, starting from SEO to funnels, to landing pages, to emails, to ads, media buying, everything. It's a big umbrella of digital marketing. Now, what I love about digital marketing is you can work from anywhere, anytime, right? You can have lifestyle that you want, just like copywriting, video editing, graphic designing. This is a great skill which can make you a lot of money, and this is just growing like crazy. Now, think about this. If you can become a digital marketer and just master one aspect, which is funnel building, you can make a lot of money. Just to give you a flashback, when I was starting my journey as a coach, as a mentor, and I was learning a lot of things, I learned how to create funnels on ClickFunnels. I spent about $2,000 for a course. It was very difficult at the beginning, but after 1 month, 2 months, I became comfortable in creating a funnel. And I was in a job at that time, and I was wondering, if I lose a job, what will I do today? I was not worried. You know why? Because I built this technique of building funnels. I said, you know what? At least I can create funnels and help other coaches, trainers, or businesses. This one skill can at least help me survive. That was my thought process then. But today, I'm telling you, digital marketing it's not just about surviving. It can help you to thrive as well. That is what digital marketing is. It just helps you reach more people, get more clients, promote your product and service. And when you do that, you can charge a lot of money, whether you're at a job or you're running a business or an agency. Everybody makes a lot of money because your client gets more promotion and business. If you are an employee working in a specific organization as a digital marketer, you can earn somewhere between 4.5 lakh to 6.5 lakh as a beginner. By just having few months of experience, you can still make this kind of money. And if you are an agency and if you're just running the ads, buying media for somebody like me, I pay 20 to 30 lakhs every year just to that agency, just to run the ads. Number one, SEO, search engine optimization. If you can help somebody's website to be listed in the top pages, you can make a lot of money. Number two, you can do email marketing. Within digital marketing, you can have email marketing as one channel. Let's say somebody has 1 lakh email list. If you can convert just 1% emails is 1,000. And that 1,000, let's say if somebody is charging 10,000 rupees, imagine what kind of money are we talking about here? Easily 1 crore. And if you can get the revenue of 1 crore for some business, you think you'll not be able to charge 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs per client? This is the power of email marketing. Number three, social media marketing. Now, imagine there are a lot of businesses and companies who want to reach more people, but they don't have time and expertise of creating content. What if you become a content creator and start creating content for them, distribute to them, get more followers, get more engagement? Guess what? You can make a lot of money again. And the media buying, online campaigns, ads, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. There's so many ways you can run the ads and make money. Now again, as I said, you do not have to learn everything. You can become a master of one aspect, maybe email marketing, maybe content strategy, maybe social media manager. You manage somebody else's channels and everything. Just pick one and go deep into that. And once you master that, pick another one. Master it, pick another one. This is how you create multiple skills, and then you create more offerings and portfolio for your client. That's how you start building your capability and skill in digital marketing. So if you're a youngster, you've never done digital marketing, now you're wondering, how do I get started? There are 3 ways you can get started. First, you can join a program or a course, you learn something basic and become like a freelancer. Number 2, you can actually become an intern, apply for some jobs in some company, learn a little bit and become an employee. Number 3, you can collaborate with your friends and other people who are in digital marketing, and you can offer something to the world. So these are 3 ways you can get started by just having a basic knowledge and insight. Now again, only great skills get paid well. You need to start getting great at digital marketing, focus on getting results, not just the means. End results is what matters. Now let's assume you've been doing this for some time, digital marketing, working for somebody, doing a freelancing. Now it is time to create your own agency and create this agency model, and you offer this to multiple clients, have multiple teams and people who can deliver the results for people. Somebody writing copy, somebody doing graphic designing, SEO, email marketing. And you provide the complete one-stop solution to your clients. Now your job is to get more clients. One client, let's say, paying you 20 lakhs. Second client, third client. Imagine if you can have 5 clients annually paying you 20 lakhs each. You make 1 crore from that business. Now, of course, you need to learn other skills, is how to run a business, scale a business, grow the business, manage the team. All that is also required. But this is your advanced level of how you can grow as a digital marketing. One of our mentee, 𝘠𝗵𝗕𝗲𝗪 started business in digital marketing, made crore plus in just 1 or 2 years in starting digital marketing. He had no background, he learned, implemented, and built an agency. So here are the few things that you need to keep in mind while you're starting digital marketing. Number 1, creativity is the key. Do not rely on the old tools and technologies. Keep researching what is new, what is happening. Like for example, today AI is hot in demand. If you have the basic information of digital marketing, adapt AI and provide the service to be the first one to do this. And once you do the first, you have a first mover's advantage. You can charge more. And by the time everybody catch up to the AI, there will be something new. You innovate and pick that up. And that's how you stay always ahead of the innovative curve. You can command and demand a lot of money from the clients. Number 2, know your audience. See, it's not about what you do. It's about how the audience is reacting. What is the response? Are they engaging with you? Are they buying from you? So know your audience, their age group, their gender, what are their buying decisions they make, what is their behavior pattern. Got to really understand the buyer's behavior as a digital marketer. Another one, digital marketing is all about numbers. It's complete data driven. So if you're not good at numbers, start learning how the lead generation cost is, what is the cost per acquisition, all these things, cost of conversion, personalization conversion, the landing page conversion. It has to be a data driven approach. So become comfortable with numbers and understand the numbers and keep improving. And that's what they say, right? What gets measured gets improved. Right? So whatever you can measure will improve. If you can't measure, you can't improve. So learn the numbers. Be agile and think beyond the current scope. As I said, agility is going to be the key. Big companies cannot change and adapt new things fast, but small, medium entrepreneurs, like freelancers, maybe like you, can adapt things very fast and become agile and scale the business very, very fast. So learn how to scale and be agile as well. At the end of the day, this is a vast umbrella. I highly recommend you to buy some courses, read some books, and become really good at some aspect of digital marketing, but provided you are really passionate about it. Tell your parents, I'm going to become a digital marketer and this is the 21st century career, right? Do share this video with your friends if they got some value, some ideas from this. For more, check out the complete playlist called 21st Century Careers and let me know what are your thoughts. This is Dev Gadhvi. I'll see you in the next video.